What's up, you guys? Will Frazier here, your credit expert, and I'm here to share a gift with you that YouTube shared with me. Now, what is that gift, you ask? It's the gift of memberships, and I'm sure you're wondering, what does that mean for you? Through the use of memberships, you guys will be able to connect better with the community and me, and be able to be around more like-minded people who are on the same credit journey as you. It also allows me the chance to be a little bit more hands-on with you guys and be able to give you extra help and extra benefits from being a member of my community on my channel. So as a part of memberships, there are different levels and you get different perks based on whatever membership level you are in. So I'm going to really quickly share some of the perks that you would get at each level, and also keep in mind that the higher the level you are, you also get all of the perks from the lower level memberships. So the very first level that we start with is the Helping Hands membership. Now with the Helping Hands membership, this is for those that just want to contribute to the channel, that appreciate the value that you get from the videos that I launch, and it will also go towards helping families in need that can't afford credit repair but really need the help to make a change in the life of their family. And they'll get free credit repair service for up to 6 months from me. And since you're going to be a part of that Helping Hands membership level, you'll also be able to vote on 2 candidates that I will present to you guys and let you vote on who has the story that sounds like they're the most in need of the credit repair service. You'll also get some cool free badges which will indicate how long you have been a part of the membership with my channel, and emojis that are available for use when you're in the live chats. Now the membership level that's right up from that one is going to be the 700 Club, and in that one, once again, you'll get the same perks as I mentioned before, but you'll also get shout outs in the live streams whenever you're present, and you also get access to a private Facebook group where I will share information and answer questions from those of you guys that are looking to be a part of a community of other people trying to work on their credit and get more tips and advice. Now the second highest level that I have available is going to be the 800 Club. In the 800 Club, you'll get access to my library of digital products, everything that I have available now, and all the things that I have coming in the future, which includes a do-it-yourself credit repair course and more. You'll also get a 20% discount on my merch store, where I have t-shirts available like this one, Living My Best Credit Life, as well as What Goes Down Must Come Up, and plenty more products coming. You'll also get access to members only videos, which will include presentations that I've done as well as speaking gigs that I've done, and these videos won't be available anywhere else publicly. And now the very top tier membership that I'm going to have is called the Credit Elect membership. So it's for those chosen people who are chosen to be at the top of the credit mountain. Now this level will add on 4 credit report reviews in a year. So that means I'll talk one-on-one with you, giving you advice on getting your credit score up and keeping it up. This is the best way for you to be able to get the most direct information on what you can be doing to improve your credit situation, and have no shadow of a doubt that you're on the right track to seeing credit improvement. So I'm looking forward to see you guys join the memberships at whatever level you choose is right for you, so that I can help you guys grow and you can grow with the community that is also trying to improve their credit scores and improve their lives, so that they can be living their best credit life too. Again, thank you guys for your time. I'll talk to you soon.